5 benefits of walking after meals, Part 1. Malaki po ang kinalaman ng at least 10 minutes na paglalakad after meals sa ating overall health. In fact, kapag nga po umupo or humiga po tayo after meals can actually trigger hyperacidity. So ano po mga benefits? Number 1, it improves digestion. Meron po tayong tinatawag na peristalsis na kung saan ito po yung paggalaw ng ating bituka at mas nagiging active po ito kung naglalakad din po tayo after meals. It also prevents bloating, gas, at constipation at tumutulong po ito i-breakdown ng ating mga kinakain ng mas efficient. Number 2, it actually enhances cardiovascular health. Dahil ang paglalakad after meals can boost the circulation and strengthens the heart. Therefore, nakakatulong din po ito sa pagpapababa ng blood pressure and bad cholesterol. Number 3, it also improves mood and reduces stress. Ang pagkakaroon ng physical activity kahit ito po ay mild intensity lang can actually increase serotonin or happy hormones na nag-i-improve ng ating mood which can lead to better mental health and overall well-being. Number 4, it also supports our joint health. This is the best low-impact way to keep our joints flexible and healthy. Dahil ito po ay nakakapagpalakas ng ating muscles and joint na nakakatulong naman para ma-prevent ang stiffness and pain. And number 5, it actually regulates our blood sugar level. Dahil ang paglalakad ay nakakapagpa-enhance ng insulin sensitivity, kaya perfect po ito sa may mga diabetes or hormonal problems like PCOS. Pwede po kayong maglakad 10 minutes after meals for a total of 30 minutes per day at malaki po ang impact nito sa ating overall health. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!